Hi, I'm Jerome Andrews, Director of Instruction at Greensboro Country Club. Here is how you hit a 50-yard greenside bunker explosion shot. Open up your club face, keep your legs quiet, and hit this shot as if you were hitting an 8-iron from the fairway. You need to generate speed with the club and arms so that you finish as you would hitting a full 8-iron shot. Remember, open up the club face, keep your legs quiet, and hit this shot as if you were hitting an 8-iron from the fairway so that you can generate speed with the club and arms to finish as if you were hitting an 8-iron. To schedule a lesson, call the Farm Professional Shop.